Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will start by getting your Kaggle API token and placing it where Jupyter can reach it. This is how authentication works. Once done, install the Kaggle Python package in the same kernel you use for notebooks so commands run without import errors. Make sure to set file permissions to read-only for your user to avoid permission failures. These steps authenticate you and allow dataset downloads directly into notebook folders, so you can proceed without manual web downloads. Now download the dataset from Kaggle directly into your notebook environment using the Kaggle CLI, prefix commands with, for notebook cells. Once files are present, list the directory and inspect a sample with pandas. Read CSV to confirm structure and encoding. Make sure your notebook's working directory and kernel environment match where you installed Kaggle and saved files, otherwise imports fail. If data is large, stream or load in chunks to avoid memory spikes and keep processing responsive. Finish by running your preprocessing, model training, and evaluation cells in order. Python notebook state matters, so restart the kernel and run all if results seem inconsistent. If something breaks, run small sample batches and add logging to isolate the issue quickly, because long jobs mask the real error. Make sure the kernel matches the environment where Kaggle and pandas are installed. If authentication fails, regenerate Kaggle, JSON, and reapply permissions. This single fix resolves most access problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.